Preventing rainwater and groundwater from overloading a tiny house septic system keeps treatment working and protects the drain field from saturation. Start by inspecting the site slope and directing roof runoff at least 10 feet away from the septic tank and drain field by extending gutters and downspouts with rigid or flexible leaders that slope away from the system. Ensure tank and riser lids are sealed with a non-shrinking, flexible sealant rated for buried concrete or plastic to stop direct inflows. Press fit or mortared joints often fail, so replace them with gasketed or properly bedded connections. Check all pipe penetrations and cleanouts for cracks or loose fittings, and replace damaged sections with solvent weld or compression fittings sized to the existing pipe material to restore watertight joins. Build a shallow diversion berm or swale upslope of the drain field using compacted fill and seed, or cover with erosion control fabric to steer surface runoff around the field without ponding. Slope the berm so water moves off the site gradually. Avoid discharging roof leaders, foundation drains, or sump pumps onto or above the drain field. Instead, route them to a separate infiltration area or municipal storm system where allowed. Finally, maintain vegetation on the drain field with deep-rooted grasses only, and avoid planting trees nearby since root intrusion can crack pipes and risers and create preferential flow paths. Common problems start with gutters and downspouts that discharge too close to the tank or field, which soaks the soil and overloads the system. So extend and slope leaders away and install splash blocks or rock aprons to prevent erosion. Another frequent issue is degraded or cracked tank lids and riser seals that admit groundwater. Replace failing lids and use certified flexible sealant or new gasketed risers to restore a watertight cover. The third common concern is surface runoff from driveways or compacted areas funneled onto the field. Regrade these zones, add a diversion berm or swale upslope, and create a designated runoff path that bypasses the drain field to keep it aerobic. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking practical septic and site drainage guidance with local contractors and experienced peers. We help contractors find project leads and allow our community to discuss solutions, share photos, and ask questions so we can all learn from real-world experiences.